Hi all, today we will see how to create a Java project in Eclipse and how to build that and how to run that. Okay, so let's launch Eclipse. Eclipse ID for Java developers. Okay, so this is the workspace, guys. Let's discuss workspace also. This is the place on your local machine. Have a look. This is showing C drive, users directory, h directory, okay, and Eclipse workspace. Okay, this is the folder name. Let me show you. Okay, so in this directory all your projects are saved. Okay, so I'm having one project with the name ff. Okay, so it is saved here. Okay, all the files related to that project are saved here. Okay, so I will show you when I will create a project here. So workspace is a you can say location or a directory or a folder name on your local machine where all your projects will be saved. Okay, all the files, all the dependencies. Okay, so you can create multiple workspaces here. If you want to change the workspace, you can click on browse and select any directory. Okay, let's suppose I want to change my uh, workspace to desktop. Then I click on workspace and select folder. Okay, so from and once you can select from here. Okay, this is drop down. Let's suppose you are having 5 workspaces. You will be listed here and you can select that. Right now I'm having default workspace. Let's launch the Eclipse. Okay, so have a look in my Eclipse. I am having one project ff. Okay, so that is saved in this Eclipse workspace. Okay, so let me delete this project and so it will delete the contents from that location. Have a look. This folder is removed ff. And now let's create one Java project in Eclipse. To do that, let's click on file menu. Okay, you can create from here also, and you can right click here in this empty space, and this have a look, create a Java project. Okay, so I will click on file menu and click on new and click on Java project. So let me give it as a name as demo Java project. Okay, so it's saying use default location. It will be saved in default workspace. Okay, and next thing is JRE. Okay, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Okay, which in a single machine we can install different versions of Java. Okay, we can install like in my machine I'm having these versions. Okay, Java 1.6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so all these versions are supported on my machine. Okay, you can select any JRE environment. So I will go with Java 1.8. Okay, and in the next this is called project layout. Okay, so you can select that default value. Okay, don't need to change, and click on next and click on finish. So we are done with the creation of one Java project, and this is the structure of this hanging, I think. Yeah. So in this project we are having one source folder. Okay, and this is the folder where all the Java libraries are there. Okay, so in this source folder you can create new files like class file, interface file. Okay, let me show you. Right click on this source folder. Okay, and click on new, and you can add package here, you can add class here, you can add interface enum. Okay, and if you want to add some folder or some file, if you want to add some like if you want to add txt file or properties file, you can use this file option. Okay, and uh, these are multiple options. Okay, you can create package, class, interface. Okay, so we will go with class. Click on class. So now we have to enter name here. let me name as demo class. Okay, here you don't need to type .java here because it will be automatically appended by Eclipse. Okay, so let me click on finish, and before clicking on finish, let's have a look on these which methods stubs would you like to create. Okay, so when you create a class, okay, if you want to main method should be there. Okay, like when you create a class, it will just give you class, it will not give you main method by default. But if you want to include main method also, okay, you can click here. Okay, so once you click on this checkbox and click on finish, in your class you will get main method over here. Okay, okay, so let me create class again, new class, and right now I will create other class, demo class 2, but this time I will not click on this option, void main, so it will create a class without main method. Have a look, demo class 2, I am not having any main method here. Okay, so let me delete this file, I don't require this file right now. So we are in demo class. Okay, so as you know that main method is the entry point for Java project or any project. Okay, if you have main method, this is the entry point for your whole project. So for today we will just use some console commands in which we will print some data on the console. Okay, if you want to print some data on the console, Java has one command that is known as system.out.println. Okay, system.out.println. Okay, so in this command you can pass text. Okay, so you can type first demo application. In Java, every statement ended with semicolon. Okay, so you created one class in Java. Now you have created the class. You have to execute this code. Okay, to execute this code, you can do it. You can do this in three ways. Okay, very first is you can right click on this file name and click on run as and click on Java application. Have a look. So it's printing first demo application in this console window. So all the output of this program will be shown in this console window. Have a look. It's showing first demo application. Okay. So this is the first way of running your application. You can right click on your app class file and click on run as and click on Java application. Okay. Second option is you can click on this run menu. Okay, and click on this run option. Okay, it will run the program. Have a look. It's again showing first demo application. Okay, so second option is you can click on this run menu and click on this run option. Okay, it will execute the program. And third option is you can directly press Control plus F11. Okay, so it's a combination of Control key plus F11 key. Okay, let me show you Control key plus F11 key. Okay, if you press these keys, it will execute the program. Okay, let me perform this operation. I am pressing Control plus F11. Have a look. It's executing the program and showing the output first demo application. Okay, let me change the text to using shortcut Control and F11. Okay, let me save it and press Control F11. Have a look. It's showing using shortcut Control F11. Okay, so there are three ways to run a Java program in Eclipse. First is right click on this file and click on run as Java application. Okay, second option is click on this run menu and click on run. Okay, it will run your program. And third option is you can press Control F11. Okay, you can see from here it's showing Control F11. Okay, this list is showing all the shortcuts for all the operations. Okay, this is for running the program without debugging. If you want to debug the program with breakpoints, you can use you can use F11. Okay, maybe after a few sessions I will create one session in which we will learn how to debug Java program. Okay, debugging of Java program, how to use step over and step into commands. Okay, and how to put a breakpoints and how to remove breakpoints. Okay, so that will be done after 2 sessions. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. We created one Java project here. Okay. Yeah, I forgot one thing. Let me show you how this project is saved into workspace. Okay. I showed you directory. This is my workspace directory, right? So have a look. It created one Java demo Java project folder in this workspace and is saving all source files here. Okay, demo class.java. Okay, and is putting all .class files in this bin folder in the same directory. Okay, .class files are the bytecode files which we will discuss later. Okay, this is concept of Java. When you compile Java code, classes will be or you can say Java files will be converted to class files. Okay, and then these files are used by Java interpreter to execute your Java code. Okay, for now, if you are a fresher and you don't have idea about what is Java bytecode, Java compiler, or Java interpreter, just ignore this part and focus on learning of or you can say practical learning of Java. We created one Java project here and created one Java file, and we are just using one print statement. Okay, let me do one more thing. Let me create one method here. Okay, print data. Okay, okay. So we will again use inside print data method. Okay, so again we are using some console output statement in this method. Now we will call this method from main method. Okay, we need to make it static. Okay, let me call this. Let me run this program. I'm just pressing Control F11. Okay, so it's printing this text here. Guys, this is the first Java program, a very small program, very simple program, and you can extend this program to a large scale. Okay, you can add more classes, you can create some application like calculator uh, or some like operations or UI application. Okay, you can do anything. Okay, you can create any Java project here. Okay, and you can perform any operations of Java like multi-threading and oops concepts, overloading, overriding. Okay, so this is just demo of how to create a Java project in Eclipse IDE and how to run that Java project. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you so much.